Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. That's right, it's me, it's Lori, and I know I might be getting a little bit delirious. I'm wearing my headband from FabFitFun. This is the Lily Sadofi Maroon Velour headband that I am wearing. It comes in at $49. I got it in my FabFitFun Winter 2020 box. This one was one of my choices. Anyhow, that's what I'm wearing. Thank you guys very much for stopping by and clicking on this video. It looks like we're getting to the end of the boxes, but we still got a little ways to go. So we're going to do the one that just came in today and get rid of some of that's right, this is a December box. This is the November, December Chic Beauty, and it's a special edition. It is. I could tell you the story of the mail lady that delivered this, and it might make you laugh, but we won't. And I'll be darned, either that's the wind or that's rain here in California, West Coast. All right, you guys, look at how beautiful. This is the special edition for Chic Beauty for November, December. This one is an every other month beauty box subscription. I don't have the price right offhand, but you know I'll always have it right down here at the bottom of your screen. So I didn't get a chance to take a look inside and get myself a little bit familiar, check to make sure everything was in there, not damaged, not missing, not empty, not broken. That's damaged. You know what I mean. Okay. But to make sure everything was what it was supposed to be and where it was supposed to be, and that, you know what I mean. Okay. There are two variations to the Chic Beauty, and there is a variation 1 and there is a variation 2. I don't know which one I got until I get my box. Then I know which one I have. And until then, it's kind of a mystery to me. So anyhow, again, this is the November, December 2020 Chic Beauty. That's right. And we're going to get into it. This is the pretty cool part, because the one thing that they do for you is they give you variation 1, they give you variation 2, but they also give you the price. Okay, so I do know how much my box is going to be retail. The retail value of my box, I do know what it's going to be because they provide me with that information. First one is by Too Faced. It's the Hangover Good to Go SPF Moisturizer for $35. I love this stuff. I love anything by Too Faced. That's all I'm going to say. And the Hangover Good to Go, absolutely. The stuff is amazing. I used the Go to Bed, or is it the Go to Bed, something like that. I use that every single morning and every night. It's the intense, it's the hydrator, and I love it with the hyaluronic acid. I think everything I have has hyaluronic acid in it. I think everything made today has hyaluronic acid in it except for makeup. But anyway, this is hydrating, lightweight, and let's see, I'll bet you $100 this stuff has it in it. Oh, don't bet me. Don't bet me. Because I'd be wrong. $35. Oh, you guys want to see it? You want me to open it up? I know you've seen this before. The pretty squish bottle. Oh, look at that. You can see through in the light. It's only filled to about right here. They usually are because of settling and air, and if it does have an applicator or anything like that. See how this one does not? Uh-oh. Okay, usually you can open it. Oh, there we go. That's it right there. It's a slow running. Oh my God, it smells so amazing. It does. It smells amazing. And my deepest apologies before we move on with this video. There are a ton of things that I have put on the back of my hand from different boxes, so the swatches are all over the place. And that is some serious wind out there. And it sounds like rain, smells like rain. Oh, this stuff always smells so clean. Too Faced Jared, he knows what to do. So it's possible I got variation too. This one is from Face Studio. It is a contour brush. This kind of sounds familiar. It's by Maybelline. $10.99. Does that sound familiar? Does any of this sound familiar to you guys? Okay, so it came like this in this little black pouch. However, I can't seem to get it out. Without tearing this thing up, you guys, I'm sorry. I wish I could show you, but it's not going to be possible. But this is the Maybelline Face Studio contouring brush, and it is really cool. As you can you see kind of a little bit of it? There's the white, and then the black almost kind of comes down like a shoe, the bottom of a shoe, the style of it. This one comes in at $10.99. We're going to keep on moving because I'm just wasting time. All right, we have the Yves Saint Laurent Baby Doll Kiss and Blush for $40. Goodness. Look at the color. Look at that. Wow. That's red. That's orangish red. This is Doll Kiss and Blush. Oh my goodness. I love their logo. Love their logo. Oh, look at that doe foot. My stars. Look at that. Look at that. Crazy. That's crazy right there. Okay, we're going to make some room over here. That's a pretty blush. I can't see me putting that on my lips, but that's a pretty blush. Almost looks like I'm wearing it now, except for this is hot flashes. This is hormones. Who needs blush when you have this? I've noticed that pretty much. I just haven't said anything. I've only said it a couple of times in the videos that you don't need blush when you're going through a hot flash. I'm not even doing like hot flashing. It's just this. Anyway, $40 for this thing. And it looks like we've got 2 more items. This one is Round the Clock, 8 p.m. Looks like it's a pen. Okay, Bare Minerals, $17. I had Bare Minerals, really? Okay, Round the Clock, 8 p.m. And the color is Intense Cream. I'm guessing 8 o'clock is it. There we go. It's pretty. It's a pretty color. Almost like a walnut. Like those ones that I received before, very creamy. Almost like a black walnut. That's kind of what I'm getting. So for $17. And then we have by NYX Off Tropic Eyeshadow Palette for $20. And there we go. And the roadmap to the back. Oh, that is it. Oh, it's wrapped up. Oh my goodness. Okay, hang on a sec. Off Tropic. Check this out. Okay, I made that decision a minute ago, and now I'm going to reverse that decision. All right, because see, here's the top. There is no mirror, but these are the colors right here. And the only reason why I'm now going to stick with my original decision is because that is protecting those shadows. So here they are right there. I'm going to tilt them a little bit so that you can see, and they're in that sweet spot that allows you to see the colors without having a bright light in your face. There you go. NYX Off Tropic Eyeshadow Palette, $20. Everything totaling is $122.99, and that's tax not included. So the bonus choice item, Bare Minerals Translucent Powder Duo. I didn't get no translucent powder duo. So one of them or somebody got a bonus item in their box by Bare Minerals. It's a powder duo. and I didn't get it. But I did get the Too Faced Hangover Good to Go SPF Moisturizer for 35 bucks. I got the Off Tropic eyeshadow palette for 20 bucks. There's 55 right there. I did get the Maybelline Face Studio Contour Brush for $10.99. I also got the Bare Mineral Round the Clock Eyeliner in 8 p.m. for $17. And then the Yves Saint Laurent Baby Doll Kiss and Blush, 40 bucks. 40 bucks for this very bright, where'd we put it? Oh, there it is. This bright orange or red, orange. I don't need it, but I'd wear it. Okay, for $122.99, tax not included. So, another box down. November, December, the Chic Beauty. Oh, I thought it was going to say special edition. But anyway, it says, hey, Chic Babe. So anyway, this is the, there it is. The special edition. That's it right there. November, December 2020, Chic Beauty. And next we're going to do Glossy Box. So you guys hang out. I'll be right back. Bye.